What's going on? My name is Mike, and today I'll be showing you how to install Rizoma mirrors. I'll be working with the Veloce mirrors, but this technique will work with any of the Rizoma perch-mounted mirrors. Let's jump right into it. Removing the stock mirrors is quite simple using a 6mm Allen key. Just remember that on the right side you have to turn clockwise to loosen. All right, here you go. It's all removed. Just make sure your brake reservoir doesn't fall down. You can balance it right here. Now to place your new mirrors, you have to put the adapter spacer on first with this hole facing outward. First, we have to realign the brake reservoir here. Put our spacer adapter here and put the screw in here. And again, to tighten, we go counterclockwise on the right side. Don't tighten it completely the first time because you'll want to adjust the mirror once it's on. Now we have our adapter cap and mirror ready to install. The adapter cap goes on the inside portion, and you use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the construction. Again, don't tighten completely so you can adjust your mirror. And here the mirror adjusts in the upward direction just by pulling. Yeah. The final step is to tighten all of the screws and then place the end cap on the top, which is this small plastic piece that goes here. Now let's take a look at a before and after. Now the finished product. The adjustment capability of these mirrors is far superior to the stock mirrors. These mirrors can be adjusted by rotating, which the stock mirrors cannot do, and they can also adjust in the vertical direction, which the stock mirrors cannot do. Fine adjustment can also be obtained by loosening the bolt here and moving the mirror back and forth. Overall, these mirrors are far superior in both style and function. Thank you for watching, and follow along with the channel where I'll be posting more unboxings, reviews, and installation videos.